Hey guys, I just got my June Antipodean witch box, so let's get unboxing. So we've got the pamphlet which says 17th June, Dingo Moon. It has some very beautiful artwork on it. I'll set that aside. All very nice and dark. We've got tree fern, which is an Australian native herb. A piece of jet. Walnut hulls. Piece of garnet. Oh, I love it. A little kitty with a moon on his chest and a pentagram on his head. Oh, that is so cute. I'm in love. Two black spell candles. Some incense, which has like a very kind of sandalwoody, I guess, kind of smell. I'm not very good with incense. We have roof demons. Violet leaf. Ooh, an obsidian arrowhead, which is all wrapped up. We'll have to have a look at him soon. Consecrated bath salts for restoration. A little black bonbon. Which has a little essential oil blend for restoration. Another little wrapped goodie. Ooh. Stone with a, I'm gonna say, bear paw print on it. Very cute. Drawstring pouch. So it looks like my oil did leak a little bit, but that's okay. I'll give it a wash and it'll be all good. Oh, I love it. And some cat eye mask. Ooh, it's got a nice shine. And the sigil restoration with the affirmation, I give myself the gift of restoration. I give myself permission to rest without guilt. I cherish the balance of expending and restoring energy. almanac for June is the 3rd of June will be the new moon, the 10th of June the first quarter, the 17th of June is the full moon, the Dingo moon, the 21st is Yule / the winter solstice, and the 25th of June is the last quarter. So we've got the Enchanted Sleep Mask, Silken Spell Pouch, Restoration Sigil and Affirmation, Bastet Witchy Cat Pin, which I'm going to keep out, I want that, Restoration Oil, Yule Hearth Incense, so it's got Yule Log and Herbaceous Evergreens, very lovely. Bath salts for restoration, Dingo Totem Stone. Should have known that it would be a dingo paw print, not a bear. I've connected the dots. Herb Tree Fern, Herb Violet Leaf, Herb Black Walnut Hulls, Crystal, the Obsidian Arrowhead. Let's have a look. Jet, and the Garnet. They don't list the candles in the pamphlet, but I definitely got 2 candles. So it also has a Dingo Moon Sleep of Restoration enchantment ritual. Then on the back we've got deities of night, sleep and restoration, and a recipe for Sun King Yule soup. And so that's everything that I got in the June Antipodean Witch box. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, make sure to give it a like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in my next video.